You might think that intimacy naturally fades with age, but what if that's not true? What if the real reason passion weakens has nothing to do with age at all, but with habits that quietly disconnect us from our partners and even from our own bodies? Before we dive in, take a quick moment to support this channel. Hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I love seeing how far our community reaches and how many people around the world are ready to take their health and confidence into their own hands. In this video, you'll discover 5 things men often misunderstand about intimacy, trust, and connection, and how changing them can completely transform your confidence and relationships. Stay until the end, because the last point might change the way you think about closeness forever. Many men believe that intimacy simply disappears with age, as if the body quietly retires from connection and desire. But the truth is far more empowering. Your capacity for passion, closeness, and confidence doesn't vanish. It changes form. It becomes less about performance and more about presence. And the surprising part, most of what men consider problems in the bedroom are actually signals of communication, emotional comfort, and basic physiology. All things that can be improved at any age. Let's start with one of the biggest misunderstandings, the belief that natural body fluids or reactions are something to feel embarrassed about. In reality, they're part of the body's intelligent system, designed to protect, comfort, and connect. They exist for a reason. When either partner feels ashamed of what the body naturally produces, trust quietly breaks down. It's possible that simply shifting your perception from judgment to understanding can reignite connection faster than any supplement ever could. Some men also become overly self-conscious about changes in smell or taste, often interpreting them as signs of something wrong. But research suggests that small variations are entirely normal. They reflect diet, hydration, and hormone balance. Just as no 2 people smell the same after a workout, no 2 bodies are identical in intimacy. When something changes suddenly or becomes uncomfortable, it's simply a sign that a checkup might be needed. But under normal circumstances, these differences are natural and healthy. The mistake is assuming that variation means something is wrong. It usually doesn't. The body is alive, and aliveness means change. Another overlooked factor is safety, not as a mood killer, but as a foundation for lasting trust. Real intimacy can only exist where both partners feel safe. Understanding how infections or imbalances can be transmitted is not a reason to avoid closeness. It's an invitation to communicate and care. Routine testing, open conversation, and honesty about health status aren't signs of mistrust. They're signs of maturity and respect. It's possible that the most attractive quality a person can show isn't youth or appearance, but responsibility. Silence, however, is where connection fades. Many couples slowly lose emotional and physical intimacy not because of major conflicts, but because of unspoken discomfort. A simple conversation about what feels different, or even a light comment about something new, can rebuild closeness. Communication doesn't destroy mystery, it prevents misunderstanding. When people speak openly, they usually find relief, not rejection. But perhaps the most powerful change comes from acceptance. True confidence in intimacy doesn't come from perfection. It comes from acceptance of yourself and of your partner. When you show that you accept your partner's body completely, without hesitation or judgment, something profound happens. Both of you relax. The body follows the mind, and calmness naturally leads to better physical connection. Many couples rediscover closeness not through complicated techniques, but through simple emotional safety. Here's something practical you can try. Not as a ritual, but as a mindset. The next time you feel disconnected or unsure, don't look for fault. Instead, focus on comfort. Make eye contact, breathe together, or share a small laugh. Those moments trigger oxytocin, a hormone that strengthens trust and connection. Science shows that calmness and affection improve blood flow, hormone balance, and even sleep quality. Intimacy, in its healthiest form, is not just physical, it's deeply restorative. It's also worth remembering that lifestyle plays a huge role in how connected you feel. Poor sleep, chronic stress, dehydration, and lack of movement can quietly lower energy and dampen desire. Supporting your body with hydration, balanced meals, Gentle exercise and rest doesn't just improve health, it reignites your natural rhythm of connection. Your body wants to feel alive, it just needs the right environment to do so. For those who may still feel shy about this topic, know this. Almost everyone feels the same way. People just don't talk about it. But when they do, they realize how common these concerns are. Talking about intimacy openly doesn't make it less special. It makes it more honest. And honesty is what builds passion that actually lasts. Passion, confidence, and connection don't have an expiration date. They evolve with you. Whether you're in your 40s, 60s, or 80s, your ability to feel alive, attractive, and connected remains within your reach. It's not about chasing youth. It's about reclaiming balance and openness. Because intimacy is not about how you look. It's about how safe and accepted you feel in your own skin. So let's change the conversation. Instead of asking, "What's wrong with me?" start asking, "What does my body need to feel safe again?" That's the real key to lasting vitality. Trust, communication, and understanding are more powerful than any quick fix. Take care of your health, talk with your partner, and never let embarrassment stop you from learning about your own body. Your body is not your enemy. It's your ally. The more you listen to it, the stronger, calmer, and more connected you'll become. And that's something no age can take away from you. If this video resonated with you, make sure to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your story might help someone else rediscover their confidence and well-being too.